Today we're going to be looking at texta.ai. Now we're going to be looking at the paraphrasing aspect of it, and we're going to be checking to see whether or not it's actually a good paraphraser. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at, does texta.ai actually work as a good paraphrase software? Now before we go ahead and do it, I just want to let you know, here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Okay, now here we are at texta.ai, and what we're going to be looking at here is the paraphrasing tool. Now what we're going to be doing is, it says you can only use up to 2,000 characters. Alright, so I've actually got an article pre-made up here that I'm going to be using. It's under 2,000 characters, and just to show you that, I'll just go over here, we'll go to word count and we'll bring that up, and in just a moment we'll be able to show you how many characters are here. So as you can see, characters with no spacing, you've got 1,546, then you have characters with spacing, which is 1919. So as you can see, there are enough characters here to be able to fit within that 2,000 character range. So let's just quickly close this off and we'll come back straight away and we'll put this straight into texta.ai. Okay, so now all I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab hold of this text, copy all of the text, and we're going to then put that straight into texta.ai. We'll see how it goes. So you and I are checking this out together for the first time. I've not actually used this, so it'll be interesting to see whether it's any good. I'm just going to go 𝗬𝗶𝗃𝗧𝗂𝗧, just pop that straight into the paraphrasing section just there. It's going to be less than 2,000 characters, so it's all good. And alright, now let's go and have a look here. Copy that over and see what it comes up with. Okay, that does not look like 1,900 characters. Okay, I'm going to just copy that and I'm going to put that into another document. I want to do a word count on this. I want to see what, go Control V, go here to review, go to word count. So I'm actually curious as to see how many words this really is. There's no chance that that's 1,900 characters. I'm going to pause the video while I wait. Okay, there you have it. Only 612 characters. So it's kind of summarized it by the sound of it. It didn't actually paraphrase it, it just summarized it. Alright. Okay, so what I'm thinking I might just do, in this particular case, is get rid of this and do it paragraph by paragraph and see if we can get it from that. And then I'm going to bring up 𝗕𝗂𝗶𝗹𝗁 comparing tools, and we'll go and have a look at that and see what it's like when we compare the two. So I'm just going to copy all of that and just going to delete all of that, and we're just going to be putting down one paragraph at a time until we've gone all the way through, created something unique. So I'm just going to refresh the page and we'll start again. That's interesting to know that it literally summarizes everything there and brings it down to only a quarter of the size of the original article. Now, if you want to summarize it, that's a really good way of doing it. But if you're not after a summarizer and you're wanting to bring it up bit by bit, then you might want to make sure that you only do one paragraph at a time, because it sounds like, or seems like, it will then just summarize it instead of putting it into an entire thing. So let's go back over here to Paraphraser, highlight over the top of that, delete that, go Control V, and we'll place that straight into here and see what it does. The question of whether moods constitute bad habits is an interesting one. Many mood disorders have been identified. These and other psychological problems are seen by some as strictly bad habits. Okay, so let's have a look at what it says here. Some people believe that moods can be considered bad habits because many mood disorders have been identified. This is an interesting topic because some people see these problems as strictly bad habits. Alright, well that's okay. That's kind of said the same thing. It's actually written quite well, so it should be interesting to see what it's like going against 𝗕𝗂𝗶𝗹𝗁. So I'm just going to paste that straight down, and I'm going to just go through and I'm going to do the next one. Might only do a couple of these on screen and then I'll pause the video and I'll do the rest. So you bear with me 1 minute while I copy that, and then we're going to put that straight into here again, and hopefully it will rewrite it quite nicely. And as I said, we'll get the 𝗕𝗂𝗶𝗃𝗃 comparison tool and we'll have a look between the two and see how much it's actually changed it. Alright, here we go. So I'll just copy that and then we'll be able to see whether or not it's done a good job of changing it and whether or not it's really made a big difference or not. I think it'll be pretty good because from what I can see, it has changed it substantially. So it's looking like it might be pretty good that way. Now, if you're prepared to sit here and do paragraph by paragraph, it's still going to be faster than having to come up with the ideas yourself and trying to rewrite it yourself under your own steam. So regardless, this is still going to be faster than doing it yourself. Now, one thing I will say about Texta right now is at the moment, when you look at AppSumo, it's still a one-time price. So I might suggest you check it out before it runs out. I'll leave a link in the description box down below for AppSumo. And all you have to do is type in texta.ai. It's currently being sold at $69, and the best part about it is you do get unrestricted access to what you're looking at here. So you get unlimited credits. Now, you don't get that anywhere else. Unlimited credits is unique. The best part about this is that it's still available, which is great. So as I say, jump in down below. If you want to join up to AppSumo and get future discounts on other software, then jump in, pay $99, get AppSumo, and then you can, and if they decide to extend this, you can look at getting this software at a bigger discount for a one-time price. Okay, so let's go back over here. Let's have a look. Have I copied that one? Right, I'm just going to copy that. We'll place that into the article if I haven't already done so. Sorry, computer's running a bit slow today. Control V, there we go. No, I hadn't done. That's good to see. Now I'm just going to pause the video while I go ahead and go through and check out the rest. All right, now that I've actually finished doing that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the first one. I'm going to place that straight into here. And then once I've done that, I'll then copy the other one and place that into the other one. So we'll see how that goes. We're just going to Control C or right click and copy. It's up to you how you want to do it. And then we're just going to paste that straight into here. I'm not going to worry about URLs right now because it's not in any URL. And we're going to put that up there, and we're just going to paste the other one directly into the other one. There we are. This is the one we want. And I'm just going to copy all of this and place that straight into this one, and we'll have a look and have a bit of a comparison to see whether or not there's much of a difference between the two. So I'm just going to paste that straight into here, and now we can compare the two texts, and it'll give us a really good idea as to what it's like. And I might have to pause the video in the meantime. Okay, so as we can see, 349 words, 322 words. Okay, so as there are 6 words here that match, 4 words here that match, 5 words here, 8 words here, 12 words there, 7 words, 14 words. Wow. 24 words that match, 38 words that match. Yeah, no, this is surprising. I thought it did a better job than that. Okay, this appears to be matching almost identically. It didn't put this particular sentence in. Instead of do not, it said don't. Be or become. Excuse, make excuses. So it seems to be all of the smaller words it changes, or smaller sentences it changes. So yeah, actually I'm really quite surprised at how bad that is. Okay, so the first sentence was changed. That's got 6 words that are the same. This one's different. It has got some differences, but surprisingly very few. These larger ones I would have expected there to be substantial differences, but no, they're identical. Okay, that's a concern. However, that's just the paraphrasing aspect of the tool. Other aspects of the tool that are really good. For example, when it comes to doing long form content, it does an excellent job. You can also look at whether it's going to be doing product ones as well. So you can do e-commerce, real estate, health and well-being, social media. You can also have a look over here, health and well-being, internet and technology. Going down again, if you go have a look at sales copy, you can go here, click on that, and we'll have a look and see what it comes up with. It should come up with ADA, I would imagine, or even website copy. You got subheading text, question generator, event description, meta description, and micro copy. And then you also have sales copy, marketing strategies, ADA, copywriting, feature and benefits, email letters, emails. You can do your welcome email, confirmation email, cancellation emails, follow-up emails, and thank you emails. You don't have to earn credits because if you get it from the link down below and you just type in the word texta, you'll be able to get this for lifetime, and it'll be unlimited amount of credits, which is what you really want. So you won't have to buy credits or anything like that. So that is texta.ai. Now, if you want to be able to get an artificial intelligence that writes fairly well and also gives you the option of doing long form or copywriting, then texta.ai is the way to go. And as I said, I will leave a link in the description down below if you want to have a look at this. Now, there'll be a link to AppSumo, and all you have to do is type in the word texta, texta.ai, and it will bring it up for you. All right, guys. Now, hey, if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing? And also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Hey, also while you're at it, over here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here is an image of my head. If you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. And bye for now.